Drift Enterprise Conversational IAP. The pros, the cons. If your enterprise wants to engage customers in real time while automating lead qualification, Drift Enterprise Conversational IAP claims to deliver both efficiency and personalization. But is it worth the investment for large teams? On the positive side, Drift provides AI-driven chatbots, live messaging, and playbooks designed to convert website visitors into qualified leads. Its standout feature is Conversational AI that can understand intent, route inquiries, and book meetings automatically. Enterprises benefit from integrations with CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and analytics tools, creating a seamless workflow that improves response times and boosts conversion rates. Many organizations report higher lead engagement and faster sales cycles after implementing Drift. However, there are drawbacks. Conversations may sometimes misinterpret complex requests requiring human intervention. Enterprise plans can be expensive, and onboarding multiple teams may require training to fully leverage all features. Analytics and reporting are powerful, but optimizing them for large organizations can be time-consuming. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI alone can drive sales. The surprising truth is that Drift works best when Conversational AI handles routine inquiries and lead qualification, while human teams focus on high-value interactions and complex negotiations. In conclusion, Drift Enterprise Conversational AI app is a robust platform for enterprises aiming to streamline customer engagement, accelerate lead conversion, and optimize sales workflows. It combines AI efficiency with human oversight to deliver personalized, scalable interactions. For enterprises looking to enhance real-time communication and sales performance, Drift offers a compelling and intelligent solution.